What kind of evidence would tell you that there was a salt structure next door? Well, it turns out that when a salt structure grows, what's happening is that it's getting the salt that's flowing in from the sides. So the salt that used to be out here has evacuated to flow into the central dome. It's moved sideways, which means that all the rocks sitting on top of it sink down because the salt is leaving from underneath. And you make what's called a withdrawal basin. And so the rocks are actually thicker in here because the salt has been evacuating out, and you'll see they get thin off to the sides here and here. So what you get in the rocks around a salt structure is you see thickness changes in the sediments that's recording the fact that the salt is moving underneath. Now, if you look in this area of the Paradox Basin where Upheaval Dome is found, if you go for 20 miles in any direction around Upheaval Dome, everything is just flat because the salt is not moving. Okay? But as it turns out, you get around Upheaval Dome and you get around the other salt structures in the Paradox Basin, and you see lots of evidence that the salt was moving and that things were tilting and moving and sinking and going up and going down.